So good morning to all. Hope you are doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Shree Renuka sugar share. So many people have requested to make a separate technical analysis video on Renuka sugars. So we know that since past few days, the stock was in little correction and lower circuits were observed and many people have taken at various levels. So we'll see what are the major regions we need to focus if we are doing any sort of investment for long term. We'll also discuss the basic fundamentals so that we'll have the complete clarity related to the company. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group so that you'll not miss any instant updates. Okay, so moving further towards the basic fundamentals of Renuka sugars. So many people know that it is related to sugar manufacturing company, and recently it was also given the title of most valued sugar company, and we also know that back-to-back momentum was present in the stock. So from the basic low levels, the stock has given some very good momentum, but when it has entered into NSE B category, so little bit of weakness was observed and it has started showing the correction. So nothing to worry about that. We'll discuss all the levels because it is obvious that whenever any stock is having some continuous upper circuits, so at any point of time little bit of profit booking happens. So not only this stock, many stocks we observe the same pattern. So we need to catch the exact levels and we need to enter in that particular regions only so that we can also have some very good profit. So if we see the market cap, it is almost around 8,748 crores, and current price we can see it is around 41. So I think if you include today's movement, so you can roughly say that 39 rupees, and high and low 47 was the 52-week high, low is around 8 rupees. Next, if we see the ROCE, that is return on capital employed, it is around 16.6%. So all the sugar stocks we know recently they have shown some very good momentum, but the financials of all the companies little need to be improved. Not only this company, all the companies are having little volatile financials. So basically because of the demand in the market. So nothing to worry. All the companies are following the same set of pattern. Okay, so now if we try to compare on a regular basis with other companies, how they are performing and how much return on capital employed they are providing. So you can see Renuka Sugars, it is at a very good position. You can see it provides almost around 16.61%, but whereas EID Parry, we have discussed about that earlier. So it is giving around 28.04, and rest of all companies also are giving some very good return. So it is comparing on regular basis, so not only based on industry wise. And if you see the financials of other companies, so as I told, they are little bit in fluctuating mode. So sugar companies are having the demand, so make sure that you're keeping few stocks in your portfolio so that you will also have some benefit. Okay, so if you see the latest financials that the company has reported, you can see the operating profit. So in the March 2021 quarter, it has reported around 250 crore. And if we see the profit before tax, so they are little down, but they're trying to reduce, but due to various fluctuations, as I told, so they are also moving ups and downs. So next, net profit is not present right now. So company is yet to declare some very good profit. So they are also little bit of downside. So these are the basic fundamental things related to Renuka sugars. So now we'll discuss what are the technicals, because those are very important, especially the support region, so that we can also average, or if you want to have any fresh entry, so the regions also we'll try to discuss. Okay, so before moving towards the technicals, if we see the day-to-day wise deliveries in Renuka sugars, so we can see 100% basically because of the lower circuit. So when direct upper circuit or lower circuit happens, so deliveries, whatever we see, remain on the 100% side. So we have seen back-to-back momentum. You can clearly see that continuous 5% movement was seen in the stock. So it is obvious that we have seen 2 days correction in it. So we'll see what are the levels. So we also know that it is in the NSE B category. So there we can't do any intraday trading. So we need to hold the shares. Okay, so now we are back onto the technical charts of Renuka sugars. So you can see the technical chart as well. So this is 1-day chart. So clearly we can see the stock was in good uptrend. So after attaining the 47 rupees level, we have seen some profit booking, and as usual you can see the levels are clearly visible. So right now the main important support region we can say that is going to be 31.18, because there we have a very good pivot support. So also remember that all these regions you can see here, so whenever the stock has opened when it was in huge uptrend, so those opening regions also you can take as a very good support regions, and from there also we may see any sort of reversal. So actually happens not 100%, but chances are there like 60 to 70% it happens whenever it is opening. So there we can take a very good support. So there if we see, we have 31 as a very good region, because there the stock is also opened and also we have a pivot support. And after that ultimately we have the 50-day exponential moving average, which is coming out to be near the 25.87. So these are the ultimate levels that we need to watch out for this particular stock on daily time frame. And if you see the money flow index, so earlier it was completely in the overbought region, so now that has come down a little bit and you can say it is near the 66 region. So it is under little downtrend, so don't worry. So when I discuss the levels, so make sure you are watching those levels very carefully. So enter when it comes in that particular range itself. So when it is showing the movement, so there you need to enter. So don't buy in lower circuits. Okay, supports wise, first watch the 30 rupees very well. After that near the 27 or 25, in that particular region you can watch out. Okay, so these are the levels. So quickly let's see on weekly chart as well. Okay, so same in the weekly chart as well. So red candle has been initiated, that suggests the profit booking is started from the top. So I'm doing the analysis in BSC group, because in the other chart, that is NSC B, so there we don't have much data because recently it has been shifted to that particular category. So this particular weekly chart also you can see just it is the beginning phase. So in between, if it opens, we discuss the levels also, so try to observe those levels. So if you're getting opportunity, definitely add it, and when it opens, I'll also maximum try to update in the Telegram section, so that you can also, if you're interested, especially for long term, you can buy in little decent quantity. Okay, so these are the basic things. So further, if you're having any doubt, you can message me in the comment section, and also most importantly, you can connect with me in Instagram. So there I try to clarify maximum doubts. So Instagram ID is stocks diary YT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.